Hi, I'm Stefan from Viking Workx. Out here at Viking Workx, we mainly do engines and old-timers and restore older cars. A couple of years ago, I bought my Aquablast 915 machine from Vixen, and I'm super happy with it. It really enhances the quality of the product that we deliver. I have an ongoing project on a Land Cruiser from 1982, and aside from the aluminium parts, I found that the Aquablast also actually does very well with messing, copper, and even certain plastics. After a bit of work, this is the result we get. As you can see, super clean, great to work with, and very impressive to customers. These are the sensors that we redid. This is when I first noticed, actually doing those, how even the plastic has just amazing results. And that you can see as well from the fan and the viscous coupling in here. You can see how every little small tight space in between the air cooling is all clean and done. Even the oil cap looks brand new. So there you have it. Superb results in record time, and I'm happy to say that I continue to amaze my customers every single week with the prime results that I can get with the Aquablast 915. Thank you and have a good day.